Teapot. Once there lived a girl in a wooden house. Her name is Pinky. She lived with mother. They were good hearted people. Kut and the boy. Once upon a time there lived a Minnu apple tree. There came a boy. His name was Kuttan. He was coming from another village. His village name was Kotur.
Next. Roasting.
A goat and fox. Once by mistake a fox fell inside the well. He tried his level best, but he couldn't come out of it. After some time, a goat reached near the well to drink some water.
Avengers. Last story.
Full.
No. Two lines.
Once upon a time there lived a boy. His name is Nandu. One day he was playing in the courtyard.
അടുത്തത് 4ാം ക്ലാസ്സിലെ കുട്ടികൾ അവർ വിനോദയാത്ര പോയതിനുള്ള ഒരു പതിപ്പ് തയ്യാറാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട്.